In this installment of the CMMG Resolute 200 rifle series, we're going to be installing some slings and hardware from the folks at GrovTec. So stay tuned, that's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian, thanks for joining me. So, this is another video in the CMMG Resolute 200 rifle series. The folks at CMG again were kind enough to send me one of their Resolute 200 in 7.62 by 3.9 caliber, so I could do a long-term regular guy review on it. You can see this is the AK style mag is a dead giveaway to the caliber on this one, so pretty cool rifle. We've installed up to date so far. We took a quick look at the rifle, kind of talked about specs, installed some of these M-bus flip-up sights, and also installed the Nikon Peak Tactical Super Dot red dot sight on it. Today we're going to be installing some sling swivels and sling stuff, sling hardware from the folks at GrovTec. And there's their logo. And I learned recently about GrovTec, and they are a made in the USA company. Everything they have is made in the USA, and they do a lot of hardware and different things like that for firearms. So what we're going to do today is I've got one of their 2-point slings, quick adjust slings. I've got a snap hook heavy duty push button adapter, and then I've got an m-lok push button adapter for the front. So because this rifle has the hooks on the back of it, so we'll be able to hook these things on and use a QD, quick disconnect on the sling. So let me go ahead and open this up. We'll get to it because it's starting to rain, and I'm trying to get this done before it does so. So the rear is going to be pretty simple to install, I believe. Let's see. So this has got a QD. This is very ultra lightweight, and we're just going to show you how well this installs. Basically, it's going to go like so. That one was easy. Next, we'll do the, I guess I'm supposed to show you that this is, we are completely, totally safe, okay? All right, so I've got the m-lok cut open here, and this thing, it comes with all the hardware you need to install it, including the tool. And so it's got these m-lok backings on it, and basically they go like this, like so, and then you just kind of loosely screw them on here like so. So the idea with the m-lok is that you can do all this, just barely get it on there, okay? You can do this without having to disconnect a bunch of stuff. Man, these things are really lightweight. That's so cool. And you got the little shoulder on the m-lok right there. You can see the little shoulder, it goes onto the screw. That's kind of that's what does the locking part. So kind of got it on there. We just got to figure out where we want it. I think I want the somewhere right in here, up close, I believe, so that's out of the way of my hand. And again, I am not a tactical operator, so I don't know if it's the right place or not. But then what you want to do is, let me get this where you can see it. Line these things up, and you slide them in where they'll fit through the slot, like so. So once you're through the slot, then you can just tighten them up. And when you start, I kind of want to pick up on it a little bit and tighten it up so it kind of catches. Same thing on the other side, where it'll catch a little bit, and then yeah, once it's starting to catch, you got the pressure pulled up on it, and those little shoulders catch on it to help you pull it down. And then once they started to catch, they're going to catch, and you're just good to go. So you just tighten it up now. And we could put this sling on the very bottom, and I may wind up changing it to that because, you know, I'm not a tactical operator, so that might not be the way. This might not be the way I want it, but we're going to try it this way first and see. And we've got the sling here, and this has got a little bungee on it. We're going to put that on the back. Put it back here. To QD. There we go. It's just a push button QD, just like this. It's a standard quick disconnect, which is pretty cool. And then we'll put the front on here, and we'll see how we need to adjust it in a minute. We'll put this here like so. Now let's just see how it works. Basically, here's what you got. It's pretty cool. You pull the long tab to tighten it in. You can tighten it in here, and if you got it adjusted right, you can still swing it up right there, and it's going to be right in your shoulder pocket. Learned that from John Lovell, by the way. And then you need to loosen it up to get out of it or whatever. You got a thumb ring here. You just grab that, pull it down, loosens up, and you're good to go. So I got to say, the only thing about the Sling that kind of bugs me a little bit is this big long tab here. Other than that, everything works really well. And I think probably what I'm going to wind up doing is shortening it up, just fold it over and tie it a little, and, sew it up a little bit. But what I really think is cool is the hardware. QD hardware here. They just do a really good job. They got all kinds of hardware. They got quick disconnect stuff for and mountings and slings for any rifle, not just a tactical style rifle, but pretty much. I guess they call these sporting rifles, don't they? Whatever. Not just a AR style platform rifles, but hunting rifles, slings, swivels. Just they got all kinds of stuff to, and they're all made right here in the USA, which is pretty cool. And then I got a couple more of these m-lok Picatinny rails I might put on so I can mount maybe flashlights or whatever. We'll see. But pretty cool there. There's the GrovTec sling and swivels and really cool stuff there. So thanks to the folks at GrovTec for sending me some of their cool stuff so I can get the rifle set up and have a sling on it ready to fire. And thanks again to the folks at CMMG for sending me their Resolute 200 series rifle so we can do a long-term evaluation of it. The next video in this series, we're going to take it to the range. We're going to put some rounds through it, try to get all the sights and optics and stuff sighted in, and just see how well it does. And kind of get this thing broken in. So I'm looking really forward to that. I hope you stay tuned for that. As always, thanks for watching Survival on Purpose, and thanks for doing all your Amazon shopping through the Survival on Purpose links. There'll be a link in the description below for that. I really appreciate the support. It really does help the channel. I put out a brand new video every Friday and Saturday, and very often random videos throughout the week. There's another one right there. And if you're not subscribed, please click right down in the corner. Click the subscribe button and be sure to click that little bell icon thingy so YouTube will notify you when I put out a brand new video and you won't miss a single one. I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.